The purpose of this video is to walk you through detailed instructions on how to use the remote to control the camera that is now placed in the campus classrooms. So dual modality, teaching in two places at once. So here's a close-up image of the remote. You have your power button right here. These arrows also allow you to move the camera up and down and side to side. But keep in mind that when you do this, you have to constantly press the button. You can't just hold down the button and have the camera rotate. You have to press it, and it slowly moves by each time you push the button. You also have zoom in buttons. So right here on the remote is your zoom section. The T stands for tight shot, so zooming in. So in case you need to zoom in on the dry erase board. And the W stands for wide shot, so if you need to zoom out. There are also presets for you to choose from. So instead of having to always make all of those movements on the remote, you can just simply find the one that you need with these presets, which are located at the bottom of the remote and are represented by numbers 1, 2, and 3. Preset 1, when selected, becomes tight on the lecturer/faculty member. So here's a little example of what that zoom in is going to look like if preset 1 is selected. If preset 2 is selected, you then receive a wide angle of the front of the room. So in case you need the students on Zoom to see a bigger shot of the dry erase board, this is what that would look like. There's also a preset 3, which just zooms in tightly to the whiteboard. And for some reason, if these 3 presets are not meeting what you need, you always have the availability to go back and make some changes. If you need the camera to turn all the way to the left side because there's a dry erase board on that side of the classroom, or say if that preset isn't close enough to the board, you're able to zoom in further. So there you have it, just a quick run through of using the remote to control the camera for dual modality teaching in the classroom.